Countable and uncountable nouns. You have learnt about nouns, common nouns, and singular and plural nouns by now, haven't you? If you haven't watched our previous videos on nouns, then you can find those videos in the I button above. In this lesson, we are moving on to another way in which nouns can be classified: countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are nouns that can be counted. For example, car is a countable noun. You can count 1 car, 2 cars, 3 cars, and so on. Countable nouns have both singular and plural forms. For example, car, cars, country, countries, book, books, cat, cats, woman, women, friend, friends, teacher, teachers, table, tables. In the singular form, they are preceded by a or an. In plural form, they take many. For example, 1 friend, 10 friends, many friends. If you want to ask about the quantity of a countable noun, you ask how many, combined with the plural countable noun. For example, how many books do you have? Examples of countable nouns in sentences. We have 4 cats. My brother owns a house. How many friends do you have? I would like 2 pens, please. Uncountable nouns, on the other hand, cannot be counted. They do not usually have a plural form. They cannot usually be used with a number. It is not possible to say 1 water, 2 waters, etc. Examples of uncountable nouns include water, money, meat, milk, juice, soil, rain, advice, weather, baggage, behavior, bread, news, trouble, furniture, accommodation, information, luggage, progress, traffic, travel, work, and wood. Uncountable nouns are not preceded by a or an. Abstract nouns such as anger and happiness are typically uncountable. The following are examples of sentences using uncountable nouns. There is a lot of money in this wallet, not 100 money. There is some milk in the jug, not 2 milk. Uncountable nouns take much instead of many. To express a quantity of an uncountable noun, use a word or expression like some, a lot of, much, a bit of, and a great deal of. In other cases, expressions such as a cup of, a bag of, 1 kilogram of, 1 liter of, a handful of, a pinch of, an hour of, and a day of. If you want to ask about the quantity of an uncountable noun, you ask how much? Example, there is too much money in the house. Be careful. There has been a lot of research into the causes of this illness. My father gave me a great deal of advice before my marriage. Can you give me some information on the holiday trip? Please give me a cup of water and a teaspoon of salt. How much fruit juice do you want? Is there any case when you can count uncountable nouns such as money, milk, and meat? Yes, there is. You have to use the units of measurement such as currency, liter, kilo, and glass. For example, $10, but not 10 money, 2 liters of water, but not 2 water, 3 glasses of milk, but not 3 milk, 3 kilos of meat, but not 3 meat. Hopefully, now you fully understood what are countable and uncountable nouns. So, why not to take a quiz on our website? Link is in the description down below. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more.